Hey guys, welcome to PlaneGuyRC here, where we test them and crash them so you don't have to. Today I got the FMS Cessna 182 here, so we're going to put this up and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on it. Alright, let's break down the key details for this bird before we get into the action. It's got an overall length of 1,250 millimeters or just about 49 inches and a flying weight just under 4.5 pounds. The recommended battery is a 4S 2200 to 3200 milliamp hour with at least a 25C rating. And I'm running a 4S 3200 today. One thing I do like about this plane is how easy it is to take in and out of my car and put the wings on and take the wings off, because it has the quick disconnects as well as the connectors in there, so you don't have to connect the servos manually each time that you pull it out of your car. That is a great feature. One thing I do want to mention is thank you to all my subscribers. You know, I wouldn't keep doing this if it wasn't for you guys and your comments and talking with you guys. All right, now let's get to the flight. Taking a look under the cowl of this bird, it's running a 3541 840 kV motor paired with a 40 amp ESC, and it's equipped with an 11x6 3-bladed prop. For controls, it's using 7 9-gram servos. As for the cost, you're looking at $329.99 for the ready to fly version or $299 for the plug and play version. I'm flying the plug and play version in this flight. I've also got it set up within the recommended center of gravity, which is between 55 and 65 millimeters. And I like to say it does feel well balanced in the air. Alright, now I'll be quiet so you guys can just sit back and enjoy the flight, and I'll talk to you once it's all over. You'll see me doing a few touch and goes throughout the video. The real Cessna 182 is known as a great student trainer, and the pilots often practice these same maneuvers, and they are easy to do with this model as well. It's honestly surprising how much power and control authority this plane has. Let me show you what I mean with a few maneuvers. It's not quite as maneuverable as the Night Timber in my last video, but I am really impressed with how well it's handling. Let's take a moment while we're landing here just to appreciate how realistic this aircraft actually looks. Just try to pull a knife edge. Didn't quite nail it. I like to keep my batteries at 20% or more, so I am bringing it in for a final landing now. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for flying with me. Some of the good things that I really do like about this are the scale details, and yeah, it just flies so nice. It's one of my favorite planes that I've purchased over the last couple of years, and I just love doing touch and goes with it. So yeah, let's look at a couple of things that I do like about it. I do enjoy the scale lights that come with this plane. I think they're really nice. That it's got the ones in the white ones in the front, plus your navigational lights, and then there's also one in the back on the tail. I do like all the little scale details that are inside the cockpit as well, and especially all of the little stuff that's done on the foam. I really enjoy that. But yeah, this thing is pretty much a trainer. It probably can't take landings as hard, but it's so docile in the sky. All right, if you like the flights, please like and subscribe and follow for more. So yeah, I'll keep trying to get some out once every week or once every other week or so. Yeah. All right, this is PlaneGuyRC. All right, friends, have a good day. All right, thank you. Bye.